Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you get once you reach DG member level 58. I am very disappointed because I don't know why, for some reasons, I thought we were going to get a hobby upgrade ticket today, but no, we are not going to get one because sometimes it skips like a level. I'll get it once I reach 59 and then 60, 61, 62. Okay. Not when I reach 63, and so on and so forth. They do skip, I think, like level 53 and 58, and then 63, 68. Don't know why. But I'll get a farmhouse watering can light and wishing stars, which I don't need, and more warehouse space, which I don't need either, but let's upgrade. And yeah, that is it. I don't know. But I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!